Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Google App Keep Stopping on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, the Google app provides access to various essential services such as search, voice commands, and personalized recommendation. Fixing issues with the app ensures uninterrupted access to the services. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the Settings app on your device. And once you are in the Settings menu, navigate through the options by scrolling down until you find the Apps Management section. Click to open. And within the App section, select App List. And here you will see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Okay, and look for the Google app in this list and tap on it to open its settings. Okay, now you will be taken to the Google App Settings page, where you will find various options to manage the app. Among these options, you will see Force Stop and Storage. Tap on Force Stop to completely stop the app from running in the background. Next, tap on Storage and Cache to access storage-related settings for the Google app. And click Clear Cache to remove any temporary data and files stored by the Google app. And after clearing the cache, it is recommended to restart your phone to ensure that the changes take effect. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix Google App Keep Stopping on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.